Oh, it's recording already. Rachel, squirt it.
Squirt it up in the air. Show into the camera. This way, honey.
Where, up here?
Spray towards
No,
the
not
ground.
us.
She can spray a little.
Not us.
Yeah, it's a mist. Spray it.
No.
It's a mist.
Come on, feel it, Mommy.
Argue on tape. It's just a little mist.
Hey, look, it's snow. It looks like snow right
Does it
there.
look like snow?
Like that.
Snow.
Yeah.
Looks like water.
Danielle, she has an imagination of her own. I love her. She thinks the clover is something to spray.
There's a big bee behind you, Rachel.
He's not going to hurt you. He's busy.
Squirting.
Are you
Squirting.
squirting water? He's over there, honey. Look at where Grandma's pointing. Towards my car. Do you see him? Towards my car. In the grass. There he is. He likes water.
Probably.
That mist he likes.
I see
Does he
moving.
want to take a drink?
He's drinking.
Let's give him some more.
Heather needs more water, honey.
Heather. Say Tachel.
Aw, he's scared of water.
Give her more water in that pink bucket. Yeah, I'm sorry, green bucket.